Hello there, Oma Faraway here, and I'm in my kitchen, one of my favourite places in the house, apart from my woman cave. Anyway, I'm in the kitchen, and my husband and I decided that seeing we're in lockdown and we have less privileges than normal, we decided we would up our meal ante, cook a bit more elaborate, because we're not going out for dinner anywhere and we're not having friends around. But anyway, so it's not only the cooking that's been more elaborate, but the baking has been too. Whereas I'd normally sort of make just day-to-day biscuity things and all that just for the normal use for with our cuppa, I have been baking special recipe, or not so much special recipes, but recipes I'd normally use for visitors or birthdays or just special occasions. But anyway, and even right now, I have this gorgeous curry on the boil, as you can see, well, simmer. I'm just going to turn it down. That's why I came into the kitchen, because I could smell the gorgeous odour. And sweet potato and capsicum and coconut milk and a paste I made myself. And the worst part about that is I adapted the recipe and if it's really yum I won't be able to repeat the recipe because I can't remember exactly what we did make completely. And that's how I've been filling in my extra time, the time that I would normally do some outdoor activities, etc. So what I've also done is I baked a carrot cake, one of my favourite recipes. I baked a carrot cake, and every time that I bake, some of it goes to our neighbour. Our neighbour works at I.C.U, and well, we all know that that isn't the most fun place to be, and he's got a hard task, and so I like to spoil him a bit. And his wife, I mean, after all, she just hopes every day when he goes to work that he comes home healthy and not too stressed. But anyway, I normally do that anyway, share my cakes and things around, because I don't want to eat them all myself. But right now, because I'm into the extra special mode, he gets the extra special mode too. So I've actually made a series of photos of all the steps for the cake, and I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to put it together and maybe you or someone else might make it as well. And it's yum. It's one of my favourites. I put the recipe in my granddaughter's cookbook as well. I'll be making another cookbook for the other grandies. I just thought I'd give it a go and see if it turned out right, and it looks lovely, and now I feel confident I can make another cookbook. But anyway, here is the carrot cake a la me, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Bon appetit, I'd say.